Welcome back to the channel everyone. This video is all about the embryology of gastrointestinal system, that is the development of gut. In this video we'll discuss about the activity of gut held during intrauterine life. Hello, namaste, hola, privyet viewers. Welcome to my channel Med Gossip SD. I am Subhas. The main objective of this channel is we bring basic medical and clinical science topics, explanation with the related diagrams much as possible, and frequently asked exam oriented questions of that related topic. So make sure you hit that red button of subscription and the bell icon so that you could never miss the updates. So let's begin this topic. We all know that in the development of gut there is the presence of embryo, which consists of three parts or three layers, that is ectoderm or outer part, mesoderm or middle part, and endoderm or inner part. So at first the embryo cause cephalocaudal and lateral folding, which we can see in the diagram in arrow portion, which leads in incorporation of endoderm linked yolk cavity into embryonic privitic gut. So number 1, pharyngeal gut or pharynx. They form buccopharyngeal membrane to respiratory diverticulum. Next we have foregut. They begin caudally to pharyngeal tube. It also extend as far as caudally as liver outgrowth. The segmentation are trachea, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, liver and pancreas. Next we have midgut. In the midgut, it begins caudally to liver and extend to function of right 2/3 and left 1/3 of transverse colon. The segmentation of midgut are small intestine, ascending colon, proximal 2/3 of small colon. Hindgut, it begins from 1/3 of transverse colon and extend up to cloacal membrane. Their segmentation are distal 1/3 of transverse colon, descending colon, rectum and cloacal pate. Now let's talk about the derivatives. The derivatives of endoderm are classified into two parts. They are epithelial lining of gut and parenchymal gland, which includes hepatocyte, exocrine and endocrine part of pancreas. The derivative of visceral mesoderm, they include stroma for gland and muscle and connective tissue. Now the questions may be asked in exam related to this topic are: number 1, explain the developmental anatomy of gut or gastrointestinal system, and number 2, mention the derivatives of mesoderm and endoderm of gut. Thank you for making me a part of your day. I'll see you in the next video. Like the video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Stay tuned for the next video in Med Gossip SD. Bye bye.